Alright, this is Sawyer recording for Dr. Grissom's class, week 3, sprint, didn't mean to do that. Alright, to just run over this stuff quick, quality of progress, new feature demo. These are the screenshots. Remember I had a little computer trouble? I was able to save these screenshots, but I don't have my emulator up and running on this machine because it's not quite powerful enough to actually do that. So, I have the emulator running on my phone and I can run everything on here. These are the screenshots though that I was able to get off of a friend's computer though, so I could actually kind of show you this. This is the inventory list screen that I was able to work on. We've added essentially actual dates and kind of actual stuff that iterate through off of the JSON and everything. And these are actual buttons that will edit stuff. And then that will take you to the edit list. I wasn't there for editing the items though. I just made the buttons that would take us there. This button will do the add item feature, which pops something up like this, where you then can put apples with expiration date and then add item, making it appear on the bottom here. Again, I would show this if my computer had the opportunity to, but it doesn't. At this point, I may see if I can hopefully try to figure out how to run an emulator for next YouTube check-in, but as of right now, this is the best I can do. Hopefully this counts. New feature demo. The GitHub check-in, that's over here. These are checked in by Matt, who thankfully did them a little bit ago, because, again, my computer died. I was able to export those files, and I just got this up and running. He was very nice enough to actually be able to do that for me. This is my code right here for the view inventory screen, which is this. Wait, there we go. This screen. All right, it's all of this code here. Most of this was added. I worked trying to figure it out. I learned a little bit more, but not quite, I guess, as much as I thought, because I had my team help me with a bunch of these methods and everything like that. Even though I did most of it to get it out, all the high majority of this code is all new. I'm trying to think about what was not new. A lot of this render function, apart from the on presses, most of this return, this header right here, had already been set. A lot of the style had already been set. I needed help with this flat list because I did not know actually how to do that. So got some help with that, but was able to come up with something that worked for this there. And then all of this was new. And thankfully got it looking like I wanted it to. That was for the view inventory screen. The other screen was the add item screen, also added by Matt about 4 hours ago, so also there. This remained very similar, the main change being I changed this method for button styling, and we put kind of everything at the top. This took me still long. I'm nowhere close to fast on this, but still long. So that's all that, and the new code highlight, that's most of this is new code, most of it all, and this is a little adjusted, replaced a little bit. This is completely new. This is replaced. And then all of that kind of basic stuff there. New code highlight, GitHub check-in. Then we have Team Gantt over here, which we've got here. This is me. I spent 6 hours on this last 2 weekends ago. I spent 6 hours on this one last weekend. And I actually spent another 6 hours on this one this past weekend trying to finish all of that up, hoping that I could actually get it to functioning. But I was able to get both of those pretty much set. Detailing's good. It improved a lot. I like the flow of it. It's not fancy, but it works. Yeah, and for next, I have a finishing inventory list screen, and for the view of the list, and finish inventory list screen adding an item. So I'll put finishing touches on there. I'll talk to the team and figure out exactly what they want to have us kind of do there. Yes, that should be most of this video. Please let me know if I need to do anything else. Thanks again for understanding. Sorry that my, I guess, computer broke, but this is what I could do with what I had, so thank you.